So here's one of the key takeaways from the National Day of Action, where we got to talk to House of Representatives and senators. Of course, this is my personal opinion, but it is also the opinion of a lot of the congressmen that we spoke with, as well as the fellow attorneys that attended the NDA this year. So we want to share that with you. Here is a takeaway that is a bit scary. What if right before the election, Trump proposes an immigration reform that compromises and is willing to offer something to the left and the right, and now everybody has to choose. Do they trust Trump to be true to his word and implement on the immigration reform, or vote in a way where the Democrats become the majority in the House? And now everybody has to do a calculation here. If the House flips, it will be a small majority. Would they be able to implement any of the programs that they want to? Chances are they won't. Because if the House does flip, all they changed were the moderate Republicans. And so what kind of immigration policies would the House be able to implement that the Senate would be able to approve, that the president would not veto, right? So now everybody has to really choose. Would they rather have a small majority of Democrats, or would they rather have the promise of Trump implementing the immigration reform that he said he was going to do on the campaign trail? Things like more student visas to Asia, or green cards to college graduates, or just stopping some of the madness that has happened in the past 2 years. If people chooses him, he has a legacy that he can bank on. If people do not choose him and flips the House, he can say, well, you chose it. What can I do? Either way, he sort of wins. This scenario was posed to us by some of the senators, and I don't know what to say. What do you think?